Have you ever felt like your plant collection is missing something mysterious? Something that turns heads but leaves people guessing? Well, maybe it's not just about green. There's a secret world of orange succulents that don't just grow, they glow. And the best part? They thrive on neglect. Let's uncover 8 stunning orange succulents that can turn any corner of your home into a warm, radiant escape. But beware, they might steal the spotlight from the rest of your plants. Golden sedum is a classic that starts off subtle but transforms under sunlight. The greenish-yellow leaves shift into glowing golden-orange tones, almost like they're sun-kissed. With tiny star-shaped white blooms and fast-growing habits, it's a favorite for borders and low-maintenance paths. And yes, it's so easy to propagate. One fallen leaf is all it takes. Echeveria or Fred Ives might just be the show-off in your succulent family. This hybrid boasts shades of orange and red that deepen under full sun, almost as if it enjoys the attention. It grows arching stems up to 2 feet long with bold orange-red centers and soft yellow flowers, perfect for sunny spots that need some drama. Crassula Campfire earns its name honestly. Its fleshy, stacked leaves ignite into fiery orange-red under strong sunlight. But in shade, it stays green, almost like it's hiding its real self. The color hits its peak in winter, when the cold mixes with sunlight to set the whole plant ablaze. Golden-toothed aloe is for those who want something spiky yet stunning. While its thick, toothed green leaves are impressive on their own, they transform into a rich orange hue in bright sun. It's compact, ground-hugging, and pairs perfectly with aloe vera, though it might just outshine it. Echeveria Sahara may look demure, but wait until it flowers. Its rosettes are tight, neat, and soft green, but come spring or fall, it sends up coral orange bell-shaped flowers that steal the show. It multiplies easily too, so don't be surprised if your one plant turns into a family. If you like the unusual, Euphorbia Sticks on Fire might be your plant's soulmate. Also known as fire sticks or pencil cactus, this succulent doesn't have leaves, just orange, red, and yellow stems that burn brighter in winter. It looks harmless, but it's best admired from a distance. Its sap can irritate skin. As the name suggests, Echeveria Orange Delight is truly a treat. Its orange-yellow foliage becomes more vivid in bright light, especially around the edges. With its branching habit and ability to spill beautifully from containers, this one brings both color and charm to your succulent setup. Kalanchoe Flapjack might be the most underrated of the bunch. Its paddle-shaped, powder-coated leaves start off gray-green, but develop orangish-pink edges with enough sunlight. And even though the main plant dies after flowering, it leaves behind pups, little clones to keep the legacy alive. So, are these just beautiful plants or little fiery secrets hiding in plain sight? Let them into your home and you might never look at green the same way again. If these orange beauties made your heart skip a beat, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more rare and radiant plant pics.